In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bill insurance with Practice Better. By the end, you'll have your core insurance billing details in place so your claims populate correctly and get where they need to go. Start by opening your Practice Better account and heading to Settings, then All Settings and Preferences, and select Insurance Billing. This is the central spot where you'll enter your identifiers and the payers you work with. Taking a few minutes here prevents claim rejections later. Next, enter your NPI, taxonomy code, and your billing or tax ID. Your NPI is your National Provider Identifier, the unique number that identifies you or your organization in the healthcare system. Your taxonomy code describes your specialty or provider type, and it's used by payers to route and validate claims. Your billing or tax ID is the number tied to payments and taxes, usually an EIN for organizations, or an SSN for individuals, depending on how you bill. Make sure what you type matches exactly what your payers have on file. No extra spaces, correct digits, and the right NPI type for your setup. Consistency across your enrollments, contracts, and the NPPES registry helps avoid delays. Now, add your company profile or your individual provider information if you bill under your own name. This profile is what appears on your claims, including the CMS 1500, so accuracy matters. Use your legal business name if you're billing as a company, and include the service location and mailing address you want payers to see. If you're a solo provider, complete your individual details so they display correctly on the claim form. Keep your profile consistent with your NPI registration and tax records to prevent mismatches. If you operate at multiple locations, choose the address that aligns with the services you're billing for. Finally, add the insurance payers you bill. For each payer, you'll need at least the payer name and the payer ID. The payer ID is often a short EDI identifier used to route electronic claims. Search carefully, as many plans have similar names but different IDs, and some payers list separate IDs for different networks or lines of business. Choose the exact match your contract specifies. If you aren't sure which ID to use, check the payer's provider portal or their published EDI list for confirmation. Once you've saved these details, Practice Better will pull them into your claims automatically. That's it. Your identifiers, your profile, and your payer list are set. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to bill insurance with confidence in Practice Better.